Welcome students. Today we'll learn how to seek assistance from an advanced tool, ChatGPT, when you're ready to invest but lack extensive financial knowledge. Our goal is to make informed investment decisions using the support of artificial intelligence. Firstly, clarify your goals. Ask yourself, what do I want from my investment? It could be long-term growth, regular income, or saving for a particular event. ChatGPT can help explore options based on your objectives. For example, you might say, I want to invest $2,000 for long-term growth with low risk. This direction enables ChatGPT to suggest suitable investment paths. ChatGPT can provide a basic understanding of different investment types. There are stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and more. For instance, you can ask, what are the differences between stocks and bonds? ChatGPT will explain that stocks offer ownership in a company, while bonds are loans you give to corporations or governments, each with different risk levels. It's vital to decide how much of your investment you are willing to risk. Investments can fluctuate, and not all your money should go into one place. ChatGPT can assist in creating a budget that aligns with your risk tolerance. You might say, help me budget my $2,000 investment with medium risk. ChatGPT will then guide you on how to diversify your investment. Diversification is key to reducing risk. ChatGPT can advise on spreading your investment across various assets. If you ask, how do I diversify my investment with $2,000? ChatGPT could suggest a mix of stocks, bonds, or funds to balance potential gains with risk management. Investing isn't free. There are fees involved. It's crucial to understand these to avoid surprises. ChatGPT can outline common fees like brokerage fees, fund management fees, and transaction costs. Ask, what fees should I expect when investing $2,000? And ChatGPT will provide a rundown of potential costs. Many online platforms can help you invest. ChatGPT can introduce you to these tools and explain how they work. For example, can you recommend any beginner-friendly investment platforms? ChatGPT will list platforms suited for novices, explaining how each operates. Understanding and managing risk is essential. ChatGPT can help you learn about risk and suggest ways to manage it. You might ask, how can I manage risk with my investment? The response will include strategies like not investing money you can't afford to lose and choosing investments that match your risk tolerance. Once invested, monitoring is important. ChatGPT can teach you how to keep track of your investments and interpret performance. By asking, how do I monitor my investments performance? You learn about indicators like stock prices, fund performance, and how to read financial statements. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can guide you through the initial phase of investing. Remember, while ChatGPT can provide information and suggestions, it's not a substitute for professional financial advice.